Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Our friends at MJJC sent us this Snow Foam Shampoo to try out on one of our cars, so let's give it a shot. So the instructions on the bottle are to rinse off the sand and dust attached to the vehicle with clean water in advance. Put the detergent that is diluted 10 times into the bottle of a foam gun. Add 100 ml of detergent into 900 ml of water, which I've already done over here. Spray foam on the vehicle. Wipe the vehicle surface gently with soaked wash mitt, which I've got over here. Moistened with foam. Rinse off all the foam with clean water after cleaning the vehicle, and then wipe the remaining water droplets on the vehicle with a clean towel. Now, looking at the MJJC.com website as well at this product, you can use it 50 milliliters of this product into 20 liters of water in a bucket to do a bucket wash. And just to show you what I'm up against, this is my wife's 2010 Seat Ibiza. We've recently done a 800 kilometer round trip to Clonakilty, County Cork. It is destroyed in bugs, sand, grime, you name it. Brake dust on the hubcaps. Just kind of going in close to show you how bad it is. Can you see that? Let's just see how good this MJJC Snow Foam really is. Time to go over it with the MJJC foam. I have it on the maximum dosage here, so let's see how it sticks. Okay, so I've let that dwell for a little bit. It didn't say anything about dwelling time, but snow foam, generally you let it dwell. I have a little bit left in the foam cannon because I'm going to prime the mitt. I've already filled my rinse bucket with plain water, and then I'm just going to use up the rest that's left in the bottle. I had to dry it super quickly because my wife needs the car back, and it's not perfectly dry as you can see, but there's an absolutely huge improvement. So you remember the bonnet earlier? You can also see your reflection in it now. Just look at that roof. And the reflection in the doors. Yes, there are parking dents, but look how clean it is now. Perfect. But I really did give it a really tough time with all that kind of Sahara sand, all the bug splatters. We were going through a heat wave at the moment, so everything is baked on. Now this is no citrus pre-wash, no APC, no TF4 to begin with. This is just a plain water rinse as per the instructions, and then blast this MJJC Snow Foam Shampoo over it to clean it all down. I used a wash mitt and a rinse bucket with some grit guards. Not on the instructions, but I would recommend that you use a rinse bucket and grit guard. You don't want to keep just pushing that around your paintwork, especially if your paintwork has been recently corrected. But would I recommend this product? Yes, I would. If you're looking for kind of a one-step, spray it on, wash it, and rinse it down, then I don't think you can do any better than this. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.